Hello, in front of me I've got Lenovo Yoga Tab 11. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Google Wallet. Tap OK. And as you can see from the homepage of this app, you can add new payment cards, check quick tips, and add passes like transport pass, loyalty and gift card. If you go to menu, you've got access to your Google account, all wallet tips, contactless setup, which is unavailable because this tab doesn't have NFC. You can check full list of participating banks, and manage your passwords in Password Manager. In your data in wallet, you can manage payments data and passes data. In wallet settings, you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes and updates from wallet and Google Pay. In the end, you can go to help and feedback. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.